Hello and welcome back to another walk around video with myself. I'm Justin, being here at WHITBY OSHAWA Honda, where we've got city deals with a country feel. And today we're checking out our 2015 Honda CRV in the LX trim level with the Aspen White Pearl finish. Underneath the hood we have a 2.4 liter i-VTEC 4-cylinder engine with direct injection, matched to a continuously variable transmission and capable of approximately 185 horsepower. Up at the front here, we're equipped with daytime running lights, multi-reflector halogen headlights with the auto off feature. And coming around the side, you'll see that we're running atop 16-inch styled steel wheels with power assisted ventilated front disc brakes and solid rear disc brakes, as well as plenty of tread on your tire there for you to ensure a nice safe drive. And once it's time to enter the vehicle, we can take a look at our key fob, and you'll see that we have lock, unlock, tailgate release, and panic button. Let's hop on in and take a look. Open up the driver door, you have power mirrors, windows, locks buttons there. Down below you got some storage space as well. And then we come around to our 6-way manually adjustable driver seat with the black cloth interior, 4-way manually adjustable passenger seat, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, and down below is your gas release and your foot emergency brake. Still lots more to check out inside, so let's hop on in and take a look. Now checking out our interior here, got that nice tilt and telescopic steering wheel in front of me, and just above there is your analog display of your dash, as well as your center digital screen showing all your information. To the left of the wheel is your green Econ button for better fuel efficiency, vehicle stability assist, and tire pressure monitoring system. On the left of the wheel, you have your tab button, which allows you to navigate right to this screen up top. You have your fuel range on there, date and time, music, you can throw a wallpaper on there, volume up and down control, music navigation control, menu button down below, phone and Bluetooth controls down below that. You also have your cruise control settings on the right hand side. Once again, there's that top screen, and here's where we can listen to all of our music. We have FM, AM radio, CD, auxiliary. We can hook up our phone. Nice setup button there with music navigation control, nice volume dial. 6 stations to choose from, as well as our CD player down below. Just below that we have our climate zone there. Got that air conditioning blowing. Nice gear shifter. Heated seats for driver and front passenger, as well as a 12-volt power outlet. Storage beside me, and we also have a sliding armrest beside me as well. We can open that up, and you can see that we have a USB port, 12-volt power outlet, as well as an auxiliary port, and of course lots of storage space. In front of the passenger seat is your lock and glove box. Got lots more storage space in there as well. Right above me, sunglasses holder, conversation mirror, interior cabin lights, as well as your vanity mirrors for driver and front passenger. Still lots more to see. Let's go take a look. And now checking out our back seats. We've got 3 of them there for you, making it a total of a 5-seater vehicle. Tons of leg space for your back passengers as well. And right in the center here, we got an armrest with 2 cup holders. Keep everyone nice and comfortable. And let's take the seat belts out, and I'll show you how these seats go down. In case you need more storage space leading right to the trunk, we're just gonna grab on this latch here. These 2 seats are gonna drop down for you, leading right to the trunk area. Let's go get a better look from the back. Now checking out the rear of our CRV. Got that nice big Honda logo there, and just below is your rear view camera. And when it's time to pop open that tailgate, you can go right to the key fob, or you can stick your hand inside the handle here. Just push the button and lift it right up. So now we've revealed a nice flat storage space. You can fit a ton in there, nice and clean. Underneath the carpet is your temporary spare. Got a mesh compartment right on the side there as well. And if you want to put down these seats straight from the back, we have a 60-40 split. That means you could drop down 1, 2, or all 3 seats at the same time. We could simply do that just by pulling on this latch there, and this latch on this side. That'll drop down all 3 seats, giving you a nice flat storage area, fitting a ton in there in your nice Honda CRV. And that just about wraps it up for this quick peek, but there's still so much more to see. You gotta come check out our 2015 Honda CRV in the LX trim level with the Aspen White Pearl finish for yourself. Our friendly and knowledgeable staff would be more than happy to help you pick up the perfect vehicle for you. So call, click, or come on down to our showroom located at WHITBY OSHAWA Honda, 300 Thixon Road South, just off the 401. Hit that like button on Facebook, follow us on Instagram and Twitter at WHITBY OSHAWA Honda, and hit that subscribe button for more daily walk around videos with myself. Until next time, I'm Justin Bean. Thanks for watching.